Welcome back again to Brayla's channel. Isa ka bang kawaniin ng gobyerno? Alam kong excited ka na sa paparating na Vermonts ngayong taon. Dahil malapit-lapit na ang inyong mga bonuses at incentives. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga bonus o incentives na pwedeng matanggap ng isang kawani ng gobyerno? Sino-sino ang pwedeng makatanggap nito? At sino naman ang hindi kasali o hindi makakatanggap ng paparating na bonus o incentives? E paano naman ang mga nasa contract of service or job order personnels? Ang lahat ng yan at ating ibabahagi ngayon. But before po tayo mag-start sa ating topic, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please do kindly subscribe, like, and share na din sa ating mga kaibigan. Kaanak o kapwa po natin government employees at please do share na din sa ating mga social media accounts para mas marami pa ang makaalam. With no further ado, let's begin na po sa ating topic. Wow, malapit na! All government employees. Mga paparating na bonus at incentives. Kailan ba ito makukuha? Mga qualified makatanggap, alamin natin. Ber is coming. At dahil paparating na ang Vermonts ay alam na natin na malapit na rin ang paparating na bonuses at incentives sa lahat ng government employees. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga paparating ng bonus at incentives ngayong taon? Una na po rito ang year-end bonus. Ang lahat ng government employee who has at least 4 months in service ay makakatanggap ng year-end bonus equivalent to 1 month salary. Binibigay po ito not earlier than November 15. At ang mga makakatanggap ay ang mga sumusunod: regular, contractual, casual, and appointive or elective government employees in the executive, legislative, and judicial branches, as well as state universities, GOCCs, and local government units. Pangalawa, ang cash gift. Ang lahat ng government employee who has at least 4 months in service ay makakatanggap din ng cash gift amounting to 5,000 pesos. Ito ay matatanggap din not earlier than November 15. Ang sumunod na matatanggap ay ang Productivity Enhancement Incentive or PEI. This incentive aims to improve productivity and is distributed under specific conditions, such as employees being in service as of November 30. Or minimum aggregate of 4 months of satisfactory service to be qualified to receive. Ang PEI amounting to 5,000 pesos ay matatanggap na not earlier than December 15. Dapat ay nasa government service po tayo as of November 30, or at least 4 months in service to qualify. Ang sumunod na bonus na matatanggap this December ay ang Collective Negotiation Agreement Bonus or CNA. Ito ay isang cash incentive for government employees granted to both management and rank-and-file personnel for achieving performance targets more efficiently and at a lower cost and requires an approved and implemented CNA within the agency. The maximum amount to receive ay 30,000 pesos, at ito ay matatang not earlier than December 15. Both rank-and-file and managerial position ay makakatanggap ng CNA bonus. At para makatanggap ang isang agency, dapat ay ma-achieve po ng isang agency ang at least 75% of their performance targets. Under the respective performance scorecard by specific deadline to qualify for the CNA incentive. Ang isa pang matatanggap ng isang kawani ng gobyerno ay ang Service Recognition Incentive or SRI. This incentive is for employees in national government agencies, state universities, government-owned corporations, and local government units as well as military and uniformed personnel. Ang lahat ng qualified government employees ay makakatanggap ng 20,000 pesos not earlier than December 15. At ang isang kawani ng gobyerno ay dapat na nasa serbisyo as of November 30 or 4 months in service to qualify. Ang tanong, sino-sino naman ang hindi makakatanggap ng mga nasabing bonuses? Una na rito ang lahat ng consultants and experts hired for limited period to perform specific activities or services with expected outputs. Pangalawa, laborers hired through job contracts or pakyaw and those paid on piecework basis. Pangatlo, student workers and apprentices. At ang panghuli, individuals and groups of people whose services are engaged through job orders, contracts of service, or others similarly situated. Ano naman ang gratuity pay? Ito ay ibinibigay sa lahat ng job orders or contract of service employees na nasa serbisyo as of December 15. Makakatanggap ang lahat ng tig 7,000 pesos not earlier than December 15. Congrats in advance sa lahat po ng ating mga kawani ng gobyerno at bilang pasasalamat sa inyong magandang serbisyo sa bayan, naway manatili lamang po kayong tapat sa inyong serbisyo at sa inyong sinumpaang tungkulin. Para sa kabuuan ng ating mga bonuses at incentives ay abangan nyo po buong detalye bago pa dumating ang inyong payment. That's it! Manatili lamang po kayong nakatutok sa aking channel para sa iba pang informative video topics na para po sa lahat. Marami pong salamat and God bless everyone.